Germany has opened a new visa opportunity that allows you to enter the country, stay legally for up to 1 year, look for a job from inside Germany, and even work part time while searching for a job. If Germany has been on your mind, but you do not have a job offer yet, listen very carefully. It's called the German Opportunity Card, and many people still don't understand how powerful this pathway is. In this video, I'll break it down step by step, and I'll also show you where to find the official information. All important links will be in the description box, and I'll also walk you through everything. Comment Germany if you're watching till the end, and thank you in advance. Hi, my beautiful and handsome people. Welcome to Adenisa channel, where we talk about relocation, opportunities, and real steps you can actually take. Here we share the latest updates. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you for trusting me. Today's video is all about the German Opportunity Card, a new pathway Germany introduced to attract skilled people from around the world. This is not hype, this is not motivation, this is information you can use. And you can verify this information everywhere. So all the important links I mentioned, official website, Dreamport, my consultation site, everything will be in the description box. So don't worry about writing anything down. Just take your time and listen. You can use a pen and paper to jot down some important information you don't want to miss, but please listen closely. So here's what we'll go through together. What the German Opportunity Card really is, what it allows you to do in Germany, who qualifies, the point system explained simply, documents you need, how the application process works, what happens after you arrive in Germany, helpful tools and guidance to support your journey. Take your time with this video, it can literally change your whole direction. So, the German Opportunity Card is also called Chancenkarte. It's a resident permit designed for skilled workers from outside the European Union. So it allows you to enter Germany without a job offer. You can stay up to 12 months, actively looking for a job while living there. You can work up to 20 hours per week to support yourself. You can do short trial jobs to prove your skills to employers before you get your final dream job. You get me? So you can still work like with jobs that are not directly related to your skill sets, because they understand that you need this visa to look for your dream job that is high paying and full time, but they also know you need to survive. So you are still able to do trial jobs or find something that fits you better or work 20 hours in any job as long as you're making money that can sustain yourself. So Germany understands that employers want to meet you, see you, and test your skills. And this card makes that possible. Think of it as Germany saying, if you have skills, come, show us what you can do. Then we're going to integrate you fully into our system. You might be wondering why this opportunity is a big deal. For a long time, one of the biggest challenges was needing a job before entering Germany. Yes, in the past, you needed to have the job. The employer has certified everything. Then you can, before even thinking of applying for a visa. But now this opportunity has changed everything. You don't even need to go through the stress of actually getting a job offer. Now you can network in person, attend interviews physically, take trial roles, and integrate faster with this visa. And you can start the whole process, move to Germany with this visa before trying to secure this job. That's the whole point of the opportunity card. But this is important because Germany still expects you to be prepared. So, of course, you're able to go there without the job offer, but before entering Germany, you should prepare everything, be prepared. You have 1 year 1 year goes by very fast. So you have to make sure before you even go into Germany, you're prepared to find that job. You have sharpened your skills. You have taken the necessary trainings you need to take. In fact, you're set and ready to go. In the comments, tell me, are you planning Germany for work, study, or long-term relocation? Or you just want to go there for vacation? I had someone in the comments telling me, oh, I just want to visit Germany for a 3 months vacation and come back. So that also works. And if you're wondering who can apply for the opportunity card, there are two main ways to qualify for the opportunity card. The first option is the recognized skilled worker. If your foreign degree or professional qualification is already recognized in Germany, you qualify directly. No stress. You don't need the point system in this case. In this case, you only need to prove you can support yourself financially. You need about 1,027 euro in your bank account. You have a health insurance. You need the Schengen health insurance. Okay, guys. So all of this, if you come in for my one-on-one consultation, I'm going to talk more about that towards the end of this video. I can definitely show you how to get it, all the portals you need to go through the whole process. So many people don't even realize their qualifications are already recognized. There are many people that actually already recognize their qualifications can easily be just we can easily make it to qualify to the German system, but you're not even aware. So there's a very simple way to do that. So make sure you check and see if the qualifications you have can be used in the German standard. And we have option 2, the points system. So if your qualification is not yet fully recognized, Germany uses a points-based system. You need at least 6 points to qualify. Let me explain exactly what this means. So points are awarded based on things Germany values. We have qualifications. Like having a degree or professional qualification gives you points. We have work experience. The more relevant work experience you have, the more points you earn. We have language skills. German language skills give strong points, but English also counts. So even basic German can make a difference. If you know basic German, it can make a big difference. We have your age. Younger applicants can earn more points, but age alone does not disqualify you. Previous stay in Germany. If you've lived, studied, or worked in Germany before, that adds you points. And once you reach 6 points or more, you're eligible to apply. Pause the video, estimate your points, and comment 6 plots or still building your points. Now, all the documents you need. Germany loves documentation, so organization matters. You typically need a valid passport, application form, a professional CV. It has to be German style based. A cover letter explaining your job search plan, proof of qualifications, proof of funds, health insurance, proof of accommodation, even if it's temporary. Your documents should tell a clear story, not confusion. So everything should be very organized. So now we're wondering how the application process works. And guys, while I'm talking, everything is also breakdown on the screen. I'm giving you guys everything. And the link of this website with the detailed application and everything will be in the description box for your convenience. I got you. So the applications are usually made through the German embassy or consulate in your country. And then or the online consular portal, depending on where you live. Some people can apply for everything online from their country, but most countries you need to go for in-person interviews. So in that case, you have to go to the consulate, but you also have to do an application online. So you book an appointment, submit your documents, and then attend your interview. The processing time varies. Patience is part of the journey. It can take up to 6 months to do everything. So I advise as you're watching this video, start putting all your documents together. Comment your country below. Processes differ slightly. So where are you watching from? Are you from Nigeria, India? Where are you watching from? The process might differ. So what happens after you arrive Germany is once you arrive, you register your address, open or activate your bank arrangements, start applying for jobs immediately, attend interviews, work part-time legally, take trial opportunities if offered. Once you secure a qualified job, you can then switch to a skilled worker residence permit or EU blue card if you meet the salary requirements. And that's the ideal goal, to switch up everything before 1 year expires. Okay, guys? So that is it about the opportunity card. But let me tell you something important. Now, let me talk to you briefly about Dreamport. So, because many people ask how to actually access opportunities remotely or from where you are, or while you're still preparing to apply to Germany, there are ways you can make money online. So Dreamport is a platform that is designed to help skilled professionals prepare for and connect with international job opportunities. What I like about Dreamport is that it focuses on career readiness, global mobility, and positioning yourself competitively for international roles. It's not mandatory for the opportunity card, but it is a useful tool. So especially if you want guidance and structure. My Dreamport link is in the description and you can explore it yourself. You can find opportunities there, become a travel manager, start making money. You're being rewarded according to the effort you put in. Start making some money. No matter the country you're in, you can still make some money. And this can help you facilitate your traveling process. Okay, guys. And many of you told me, I don't just need videos, I need personal guidance. So I created a one-on-one consultation website, as you can see on the screen. It's live, but it's still new. So if you face any issues at all, please use the form on the page below and send me your email and your message telling me what you're going through, and then we can take it from there. But again, you need a debit card because all payments will have to be made before our final sessions. And then you have to tell me the questions you want answered so I can prepare effectively and give you maximum efficiency during our one-on-one consultation. This exists because you asked for it. So thank you guys for the comments and feedbacks. And if you prefer doing things yourself but with the right tools, you can get your membership by simply clicking on join below this video. Or the link will also be in the description box and in the pinned comments, where once you get your membership, you get tailored CV templates, you get tailored cover letters and direct job sponsored links. Yeah, with the membership, depending on your package, you're gonna get the CV, cover letter, and the links. If you want one-on-one conversation, then you book through the website. And to all my wonderful members, thank you so much. Your support helps me keep creating detailed contents like this. There are amazing members out there that just get the membership to support me and they really don't need anything from me. So you guys are the best. Thank you. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like it, subscribe, comment your biggest question. Germany is opening doors. Preparation helps you walk through them. Don't forget to check out all my other amazing videos. Please share this timely information as it can help someone out there. If you watched up to this point, just tell me, hi, Ade. I'll have a sweet surprise for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Again, all important links are in the description box. Bye for now.